When Jesus identifies as the Alpha and Omega, it is his way of saying, I am everything, before time, during time, and beyond time. And in the very next verse, he mentions salvation, tying them together. Don't make the mistake of keeping God painted on the canvas. Realize he is the beginning and the end. And time hasn't handcuffed him. It, in fact, was created as part of the formula to take the handcuffs off of us. Now, with this biblical context, we can find rest in the answer. We should also stop to recognize the gift of grace that time truly is.